Hello, everyone. Now we're going to discuss the beautiful and powerful frankincense and how to use it for various spiritual and therapeutic purposes. Frankincense is a sacred essential oil that has been used for centuries in various cultures for its calming and healing properties. To begin, let's talk about the origin of frankincense. This magical oil is derived from the resin of the frankincense tree, which grows in the southern parts of Africa and the Middle East. It has been used for centuries in ancient rituals, prayers, and ceremonies due to its amazing aroma and spiritual properties. You can use frankincense in various ways, such as 1. Aromatherapy. Frankincense oil can be used for aromatherapy purposes to promote relaxation, reduce stress, and improve overall mental well-being. Add a few drops of frankincense to your favorite oil base, like jojoba or almond oil, and apply it to your wrists, temples, or inhale from a diffuser. 2. Spiritual use. Frankincense is believed to have profound spiritual properties and is often used in religious practices and rituals. You can burn frankincense sticks in a candle or burn it to create a serene atmosphere and promote spiritual connection. 3. Beauty treatments. Frankincense has incredible anti-aging properties, which make it a popular ingredient in skincare products. You can use it as a face oil or add a few drops to your favorite moisturizer to promote a healthy, youthful glow. 4. Healing abundance. Frankincense is known for its ability to promote healing and abundance. You can use it in your meditation practice by scattering frankincense powder or using it in incense sticks for divine blessings. Furthermore, to use frankincense, you'll need to purchase high-quality resin in a form that is easy to consume, such as essential oil. Start by diluting frankincense oil in a carrier oil, such as almond or coconut oil, before applying it to the skin. The recommended dosage is between 1 to 2 drops, which can be applied to the temples, wrists, or heart chakra for relaxation. Frankincense has numerous healing properties, including its ability to reduce anxiety, stress, and depression. In essence, frankincense is a powerful essential oil with numerous health benefits. By incorporating it into your daily routine, you can experience its calming effects and promote a sense of inner peace. Remember to dilute the oil in a carrier oil and follow the recommended dosage for the best results. Frankincense is a powerful and sacred essential oil with numerous spiritual and therapeutic uses. By understanding how to use it properly, you can experience its calming and healing properties in a variety of ways. Embrace the ancient wisdom of frankincense and allow its divine aroma to guide you on your spiritual journey. Happy healing! If you enjoyed watching our video, please subscribe, like, share, and comment down below for more videos. From your FaithWorks TV, we say a big thank you for watching and see you in our next video.